Dad, I'm gonna take a really big shit now.
Hey T, will you knock it off? Grow up, would you? Do your business and keep it to yourself. And how about getting your crap out of the shower? You're not the only one that uses that, so like move your towels and your shit. Come on, asswipe.
Featuring an all-star cast with the practices Cameron Nighttime as Snow White. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Welcome to the 10th Kingdom, NBC Sunday. On the next extra, at 17, he was sentenced to death row for murder. But should he die for a crime he committed as a teen, then he took a love rock from the watch and came under an ancient curse. Watch Rush's uncensored TV bloopers. Next extra. Tonight at 7 on NBC 10. The most powerful V6 engine in its class. The most interior space in its class. Amenities that will surprise you in any class. For those seeking refuge from mediocrity and compromise, we offer the Sanctuary. Presenting the all-new Infiniti i30. It's all the best thinking. Three-quarter-inch bolts are where it says three-quarter-inch bolts. Plumbing? Well, that's in plumbing. Just look to the signs. And you can read them with aisles so bright you can even tell almond from ivory. Friends, this is why logic makes sense.
Ignorant fuckface.
Motherfucker!
Now I'm a dick!
Oh, I'm a